Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you are clicking my videos, the first time you're watching my videos, you're welcome. As you're watching, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, and also click the subscribe button. It's free of charge so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be among the first people to watch the video. And also click the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. So today guys, I'm driving from In Umuahia to I think Secretariat town. This is Umuahia. So I'm driving from In Umuahia to Secretariat. So if you haven't seen Umuahia in a while, you can use this opportunity to see how Umuahia is in this July of 2024. So yes, so this is St. Silas. We're passing around St. Silas, okay? That's a church. And this is In Umuahia. So we are heading towards Ishi Court. Very soon we'll be at the junction that will lead you to Federal Girls. I think just ahead of us, the roundabout you're seeing on your left hand side is going to take you to Federal Girls. But we're not going to apply through that area. We'll just keep going straight until we get to town. And this we're going to be passing Abia Road on the course of our journey. We're passing towards Abia Road, and then I'm going to take you to Umuahia Secretariat, and then I will turn back. If you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button and tell me if you think Umuahia is clean. Do you think Umuahia is clean? For me, I think there's a lot of improvement here in Umuahia. Tell me in the comment section what you think about Umuahia. Thank you so much for clicking this video once again. Watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think. So yes, this is Ishi Court. Oh, the video, we don't jump, we don't fly. So this is Secretariat. Sorry guys, I didn't take a video of the other areas. So this is inside Secretariat. Actually, I'm not going to be showing you the building, you understand? That's not the purpose of this video. So I'm going to be showing you around this Secretariat, like where this Secretariat is situated, where it's located. It's in a very calm area in Umuahia. All this area, the Secretariat area down to Central Bank, is very calm area. So this is a Raj, of course, where people come and drink and relax. I'm going to be taking you down, so watch this video so you can see the serene area. Like all this area, just keep going straight. Central Bank, Commissioner Quarters, like this area in Omaha is calm, like I said. In fact, Charlie, I wish I could just live around such place. So I'll be taking you now to this road is going to lead you to, I think, Vision Africa Radio, right? Yes. Now this road, keep going straight. They're going to bust out to Latinos, BCA Road, and the rest of them. Okay. So guys, yes, tell me what you think about Umuahia. If you haven't commented yet, I'm still waiting for your comment. I'm going to take you now to, what is the name of this school again? Okay, so yes, guys, I'm going to take you guys to Danny Joy, and then I'll make a U-turn back. You understand? And this road is going to lead you to Vision Africa Radio. I think it's on the right hand side. I'm going to be showing you their fence. Yes, so Vision African Radio. If you're looking for where it is in Umuahia, this is where it is. This is the right hand side, like this fence you are seeing. So you can see it was written on the floor there. Vision is written on the floor there. Vision Africa. So this on the left hand side is an eatery. I'm always forgetting the name. Then this road we are going to apply through now is BCA Road. Yes. So this is the Latinos. Yes, where people they come, they enjoy life. You understand? And we keep on going straight. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please kindly click the subscribe button. Thank you for watching this video down to this extent, and see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.